Agentic RAG is the next evolution of AI search and chat. Let's see how it works. So instead of running a fixed query on one database, your agent, basically your LLM, will decide which data source to connect to depending on your query. So, for example, let's say you have a database for your legal documents, one for your internal documents, another one for your FAQs. Your agent will decide which database to call depending on the query, and then it will fetch the relevant documents. Once the documents are retrieved, it can take multi step actions and chain them together and perform reasoning through these different sources. Then it's not just about the search, it's also about the way the data will be represented to the user. So the LLM can look at the data retrieved and figure out what's the best format to represent this data in. It can be textual format, it can be charts, it can be code, depending on the query and the data which has been retrieved. And if for some reason it doesn't find the relevant documents in any of the data sources, it can just go back and say that I don't have the answer to this query. This way, it makes your system smarter, flexible, and more reliable.